Hi everyone, I am Rocky Bulasan and a web analytics expert. Now I am showing here a video Go High Level Booking Form Conversion Tracking. This is the booking form which is embedded in is the domain and this website. And when someone click on the date selected and time and then continue, there is a show as a provide information page, and we need to put here my first name is a test purpose. I just input my test like test dot rocky, and my input here my test email at the gmail.com, and input my phone number 1302420295. And then when I click on the done button, this booking will confirm. We need to track the booking confirmed as a booking confirmation event on GTM. This is the page of thank you page which I already submitted. When someone click on done button with this form redirect to the thank you page, you can see here tag assistant page. This already submitted, and count GASL booking complete page, which I already explained. Like now, yeah, we can create data label inputs dot email inputs dot phone number as a Google Ads conversion purpose. You can send the user information like email and phone number for enhanced conversion tracking. Then you can create a inputs dot email data layer variable, and need to hash data, and you can create a data layer variable for hash, and you can send it for enhanced conversion on Google Ads conversion. You can send another platforms like Facebook conversion API on. If you need to track booking page for Go High Level funnel exploration, or you can send me a direct message. I will help you to set up Go High Level from tracking, which you embedded your site or other method you Go High Level site. And thank you so much for watching this video.